Hello and welcome back to Stock Market Encyclopedia. Here we cover news highlights from the day. Looking at LIC IPO day 1, IPO subscribed 61% till this time, QIB 0.33 times, non-retail 0.24 times, retail 0.54 times, employees 0.97 times, policyholders 1.78 times. While Balampur Chini buzzing in trade, stock now up over 2%. Indian bulls housing finance falls sharply. Stock now down nearly 3% from intraday highs. Britannia is up 6% more since 20 July 2020. Share price made a intraday high near 200 DMA and crossed 100 DMA level, trading volume 6 times the 20-day average volume. While looking at the Q4 earnings of Kotak Mahindra Bank, net profit rupees 27.7 billion versus 16.7 billion YOY, estimated 22.13 billion, 21.3 billion QOQ. Big bit YOY, big bit estimates, while NIM 4.78% versus 4.62% QOQ, GNPA 2.34% versus 2.71% QOQ, NNPA 0.64% versus 0.79% QOQ. Q4 earnings of Tata Consumer Products, net profit up 303% at 217 crore YOY, down 18% QOQ. Revenue up 5% at 3,175 crore YOY, down 1% QOQ. EBITDA up 47% at 444 crore YOY, down 4% QOQ. Margins at 14% versus 9.99% YOY, 14.4% QOQ. Q4 earnings of Bombay Dyeing, net loss at 41.7 crore versus loss of 166.8 crore YOY, revenue up 19.8% at 598 crore versus 499 crore YOY, EBITDA 48.4% at 69.9 crore versus 47.1 crore YOY, EBITDA margin at 11.7% versus 9.4% YOY. Q4 earnings of KPI Green, net profit down 43% at 9.86 crore YOY, down 11% QOQ, revenue up 56% at 74 crore YOY, up 20% QOQ, EBITDA up 18% at 35 crore YOY, up 23% QOQ, margins at 47.6% versus 63% YOY, 46.6% QOQ. Q4 earnings of Acelia Solutions, net profit up 17% at 19.8 crore QOQ, up 82% YOY, revenue up 6% at 92 crore QOQ, 25% YOY, EBIT up 16% at 25 crore QOQ, up 116% YOY, margins at 27.66% versus 25.1% QOQ, 16.04% YOY. Q4 earnings of Hero Moto, net profit down 27% at 627 crore YOY, down 9% QOQ, revenue down 15% at 7,421 crore YOY, down 6% QOQ, EBITDA down 32% at 827 crore YOY, down 14% QOQ, margins at 11.1% versus 14% YOY, 12.1% QOQ. Q4 earnings of Carteret, net loss of 25 crore versus 30 crore profit YOY, 23.5 crore loss QOQ, revenue up 13% at 93 crore YOY, up 5% QOQ, EBITDA loss 25.9 crore versus 19.2 crore profit YOY, 28 crore loss QOQ. Q4 earnings of Havells, net profit up 16% at 353 crore YOY, up 15% QOQ, revenue up 33% at 4,426 crore YOY, up 21% QOQ, EBITDA up 2% at 519 crore YOY, up 18% QOQ, margins at 11.7% versus 15.2% YOY, 12% QOQ. Lastly, looking at our top gainers for today, we can see that ONGC is up nearly 4%, Britannia is up nearly 4%, Power Grid is up nearly 3%, NTPC is up nearly 1%, while Kotak Bank is also up nearly 1%. Looking at the market at close, we can see that Nifty 50, Nifty Bank and Sensex all are back to red again. Nifty 50 closes at 16,677, Nifty Bank closes at 35,264, while Sensex closes at 55,669. That was all for today. Hope you all had an profitable and an amazing day.